Here, in this scenario of world, transformation is occurring. Everything has a new normal. So it marks the influence in market. So how we can determine two forces of market? First demand, second is supply. So today we will pursue ahead with one of the new aspects of economics of micro level, that is supply. So let's warmly welcome each other over here.
India is blessed with abundance of resources in the environment, in the economics, etc. Always we have a vast potential to deliver the world. What exactly we talk about is this. So hereby today I warmly welcome you again in learning experience, and this availability of resources in environment, society and economics is said to be the supply, and we will discuss it here with a brief introduction. Supply, apurti in Hindi. Supply means all the surrounding resources of yours, its delivery for your welfare, for your service. Here is the introduction. Supply means the availability of resources that could be a firm. If it is firm, then you have supply of producers. If it has a supply of producer, then you need laborers and then financial assets to function that firm, and then other economic assets or agents that you will get from society and that will render the service to society. सप्लाई, आपूर्ति वो चीज है जो आपकी जरूरत को पूरा करने के लिए अवेलेबल है. द थिंग विच इज देयर व्हेन यू वांटेड और नीडेड, एंड दैट इज डिलीवर्ड इन द सोसाइटी and within the form of market. Supply means the amount of a product per unit of time where producer is willing to sell at a given price. It means to say that the quantities that a seller is willing and able to deliver at a given price in a given period of time. And when supplier is supplying the quantities, so the one thing which matters will be the price. Here is the definition of supply. Supply defined as a schedule of respective quantities of a good which people are ready to offer for sale at all possible prices. So it can be marked with a phrase by saying ready to offer for sale. यानी आपका एक प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल है प्रोडक्ट सेल के लिए, and it will be the respective quantity which will be sold at a given time with a specific price. So it implies both willingness to deliver and ability to deliver. Willingness यानी उसकी मर्जी है that he would like to sell, and availability या ability to deliver, he already had that product to deliver the market or to cater your satisfaction. यानी आप सेल करने के लिए भी रेडी हैं और आपके पास वो चीज सेल करने की एबिलिटी भी है. Then your definition of supply get concluded that you are ready to offer with your own willingness and you have the capacity to deliver the goods in the market to render your service for the satisfaction of the society. This will mark you with the definition of supply. It always have variation. It changes from person to person, place to place, time to time as the fluctuation occurs as per circumstances. Now understand it with an example that in recent scenario we are living under the threat of pandemic COVID-19. There is continuous lockdown. So some zones have been containment zone. So there is complete lockdown. Some zones are in orange spot. So there is partial lockdown, and some zones are in green zone. So they do not have lockdown. So there is variation in supply as the production is going on. according to the zone division. So there is variation in place, time and everything. Now, distinction between supply and stock. Stock is main personality back of your supply. Stock makes you available supply. Stock is the one backbone of supply. Stock means total quantity which can be offered for sale if condition will be favorable. Whereas supply means to say quantity that is actually available in the market at a given price. Then you have the term law of supply. By keeping other thing constant, here will be only one factor which will work, that will price. जब आपूर्ति आपकी हर चीज को नजरअंदाज करते हुए अपने आप को सिर्फ और सिर्फ उसके मूल्य के हिसाब से चेंज करे, यानी आपकी जो सप्लाई है दैट विल बी constituently affected with your given price, then it is called law of supply. Supply determined with price if it will be worthwhile for a producer to sell. Here in conclusion we can conclude that the determining factor will be your price and time. If your producer worthwhile situations discover, then only he will going to sell. So today that's all. Thanks for visiting.